Chinese wholesale operator shot and injured in Portmore, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. A male Chinese wholesaler who operates a popular establishment along the h0t main road in Portmore, St. Catherine was shot and injured on Friday afternoon. The Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, the police information arm, confirmed the shooting and state that there was a shooting incident at a location on Friday afternoon, but indicated that the information about the shooting was sketchy up to the publication of this report. There was an incident of a shooting with intent and a robbery with aggravation along the h0t main road about 1:48 p.m. The business owner was shot, but he was not killed, a representative of the Corporate Communications Unit told reporters. More details will be made available in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.